library. Import numpy is np, import pandas is pg, import matplotlib.pyplot is plt, import cbon is sns. So this is the basic libraries in here we used for mathematical works and for reading data sets and also for visualizations. So first we put the data, so we can name the div pd.read csv. The data name is train.csv. div.head. Let's show the first 5 rows. The main aim of this project is how to convert this data into a website using Streamlit. So first we remove the unnecessary columns which is not important for our analysis and not for much effect in our data. So for this initially I will create these 5 steps. Number 1, data cleaning. Number 2, EDA. Number 3, pre-processing. Number 4, model built and pipeline. Number 5, website. And number 6, how then convert, add, upload in GitHub. So this is the 6 steps which we need to do to cover this project. And the first step is data cleaning. For data cleaning we need first we check the shape of data. The data shape is 8 and 1 rows in 12 columns. So first and now we check the null value, either our data can contain null value or not. So for this we write such piece of code. Div dot is null dot sum. So it means our data sets have 3 columns which have null values. The H column has 177 null value and the K1 687 null value and the embark 2 value. But we can impute these two and we need to drop this column because it is a lot of null value. If we put or impute this one, so this is not a logical one, so therefore we need to drop this column, K1 column. And also we need, for in this shape data cleaning, so we remove also some columns like passenger IDs, name, ticket and cabin. This 4 column we can remove. For this we need, now first we check the duplicate value, either our data sets can contain duplicated value or not. For this we write such piece of code. Div dot duplicated dot sum. So we write the spelling is duplicated, or some, so it means our data set have no duplicated value. So for this, now we need to remove columns which are not necessary for our analysis. So for this, drop columns is equal to columns we do not we need passenger ID, so we remove this one. And similarly, we do not need the column of name. So for this we remove this, and we also no need of this column, take it column for our this analysis. We work on it, but the next video how to use this column for effectiveness. But today video there is no concern to use these columns. We also remove this K1 because it has a lot of null value. So we write in place is equal to true, because we can create this as a permanent operation. So for this we need to x is equal to columns. So therefore so this can do it, because we need to pass it in list, then it may work. So it again give you error, the name is not found in x's passenger ID. So it means we can create the error, like we can create this type of error. So we don't need to do this. Now we can again check it K-bin, it means we write the mistakes. So this is not K-bin space, so this is our errors. So now we can check the final result after cleaning. So first we check the first 5 rows, so check it. So now we have only 7 columns. First we have 12 columns. Now we can do analysis on that. Now in the second steps we need to perform exploratory data analysis. For this, perform EDA, and we check our data, how look like our data in the visualization forms. So we can do EDA. For this, first we check the survived column, that how many male and female are travelers. For this, df dot survived dot counts. So it shows total. It means, so we have 549 people are die, and 342 people only are live, survived. And we can also check it in the form of bar plots. So for this we need using Seaborn. So it's not bar plot. For this we need 2 parameters. First we pass x is equal to df dot survived dot counts dot index, and the second parameter we pass y, v dot survived dot counts dot values. So this can show us the survived, and we need to this is the, it means we have this amount of people are survived and this amount of die. But now we can check it, that how many male and female are survived. For this we used the cross tab. For this def we use survived, and we also used 6 for this tickets. So we have 21 0 in female and 2 to 3 are. This is the whole number of ratio in which we can see that the survived 81 are die, the female 81 are die, and it means most of the male are die and less female are die. And the survive amount, we have 233 female are live survived and 109 male are unsurvived, survived. If we check it in percentage, so for that we use normalize is equal to columns, and for 100 multiplication, so it check it now. It means we have 81% people are die and only 25% female are die. Now 74% female are live survived and 18% female are survived. But this is the some of data visualizations which we can get some insights, and you can check it now. We can tell you, and previously our concern is not the whole EDA. Our concern is that how to convert this into a website. We can also create some other video for data visualizations. Now we can convert this video into a website. For this now we can go to the pre-processing steps. For this we need to pre-processings. For pre-processing we have some values like how to impute, how to impute the value, and how to one hot encoder used, and how to duplicate removing. We can do this all, but now our concern is that how to convert this project into a website format. For that we need to go some important library from sklearn dot model selection, import train test split, and we have need another library necessary from sklearn dot tree, import this decision tree classifier, and we have another from sklearn dot compose, import column transform. This library help us when we convert this to a website. Then here we not need to do write such type of code again and again. So it prevent us to write the code again for creating a website. For this we need therefore we put the column transformer. We can use it little bit, so you can check it. So therefore we can use another library. Another library is from sklearn dot paperline, because we use a paperline for to create the pipe model. Import pipeline, and we need another library which names pre-processing, import one hot encoder to convert the categorical value into a number, because the machine learning algorithms does not work with the categories or string format. The machine learning algorithm works only a category, only on numbers. Therefore we use a one hot encoder to convert the string value or categorical value into numbers. For the another point from sklearn learn from sklearn dot uh, from sklearn dot import simple imputer. So this is help us to convert to fail the missing value. So we yeah, yes, we need such type of library. Now we need uh, now we need the value is into two form, in the output format and the input formats. So for this we need to check first two row, so that we can separate the output and the input columns. So for x is equal to df dot drop survived, x is equal to columns, and we also need another is df dot in this only in this survived. So we need this two column, but this is not work. Why? So we can check it. Survive not this is the survived, therefore we can get the error. Now for this we need to train trace the data. So for this we use x traced y train y test is equal to train test plate. For this x y into test size we can put into 0.20%, and the random state is 42. So for this we can get this one. Now x train dot head, so it means we have now that in the training we have only 7 columns, but because the output column we can remove. Now we need to do the column transformer. Use the column transformer so that we can create the pipe object, and then we can convert it into website. For this we need, let we can give the column transformer 1 is equal to column transformer into we can pass list of tuples. And for this first we need impute the missing value. We have in the 6th column in the embark column missing value. First we need to fill the column, because machine learning algorithm do not work with the missing value, or not perform good to the missing value. So first we need impute age. So we have age 177 value is missing. For this we need simple imputer. So simple imputer by default give put the main value. So we can put it on the which the column is in which position, 0, 1 and 2. So the second position, therefore we can write in 2. Now for the embarked we need impute embarked. So for this we need simple imputer, but here we used most frequent. We have embarked 3 value. So the missing value contain those value which come more than the other. So it works like the mode. So we can simply say that the strategy is equal to most frequent, and we can also pass this as remainder is equal to pass through. So this is the first column transformer, and the second column transformer is equal to column transformer into list of simple method. Now we can convert the categorical value. So we can also tell you the firstly that the machine learning algorithm does not work with the categories or a string format. Therefore we need to convert into numbers. For that we can convert one hot encoder into 6 into embarked, because this is this 2 contains the categorical value. We need to convert into the we need to convert it into numbers. For this we can import one hot encoder. For this we need spares is equal to false, handle unknown is equal to ignore. For this in which we put, we need to put this one is 0 1 into 1 position, and the last one is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the 6 ones. And we can also say that the remainder is equal to pass through. We write remainder is equal to pass through. It means it works when we apply one hot encoder, remainder pass through. It means this only work on 1 and 6. If we not write remainder pass through, it can also change our another columns. Therefore we can say that remainder is equal to pass through. You can convert this only 1 and 6, and for that you can only change the second column. It means only put this 2, not the most, not the all. For this we create a little bit mistakes because we not pass the column embarred, because embarred have missing value. So for this we need to pass 6. So this is our mistakes. Now the third one we need to, in the third we need to create a model. So TF3. Now we can now we need to create a pipeline. For pipeline we get pipe is equal to pipeline. So for this also we pass the list of tuples. So we can write this trf1. We again give the same names. The trf1 is store is trf1. Now for the second transformer trf2, and its value is also trf2. So for the third one we also write trf3 and its value is trf3. So this is the pipeline we can create. Now for the in this point we need to fit the pipeline. So pipe dot fit the X train, Y train. So it gives the error. Why it gave error? Because could not convert string to float. So we can check it and then you tell you come because so the error is we have faced some error. So we need to slice. It means it can standardize it can scale the value. So our data have a lot of value, so it means the third steps in the third transformer scale the all value. Now for this if we run it, so it works. Now we feed the algorithm. So for feed the algorithm, it means we have fit our algorithm. And now we check it accuracy, how our algorithm have accuracy. For this we need to wipe red is equal to fit dot predict x test. So sorry, pipe dot predict x test. Now we can check the accuracy scores. For accuracy scores we need to put the some accuracy from so now we check the accuracy score. For the accuracy score is accuracy score into y test and y read. So we have 62% of accuracy. So our concern is not how to improve our accuracy score and how improve our ADA. So our concern is that how to convert into a website format. Now we need to create the pipe object from that. So for this we need to import pickle dot dump pipe dot open. We have put the pipe dot pkl into right binary format. So we can create the pipe object. We can check it. This is the pipe object, so we can create it. Now for that, now the next part, we can create a website. You can check it. So now we can create a website. Code we created. No, it is not a difficult course. I will provide it to you to in a GitHub, my GitHub account, and also I will give you it in descriptions. So this is not a difficult course. You can simple is it. First we import Streamlit in NumPy, and then we put the title. It means we work on the heading parts. Now we input some basic values, inputs value, and for now and last to predict it. Now I can remove it, and I can tell you how run this code. So for this you need to run new terminal, and write python -m streamlit run in the part of code and name of your script, titanic.py. Now run it. You can open your code. Now the website look like is data. So we pick some random value like 3 male, female, and the age of male is 35, and he knows your specific spouse and no parent child, and her fire is 64. Now predict it. So we come into 0. For that we need now we improve our coding part. For 0 we write die, and for 1 we write live. For that we need to go to our coding part. For that I am telling that if pipe dot predict query equal to 0, st dot title write die, else st dot title survived. So this is our course. We can check it again. Now how it works. For that we need from the first class and the female, if file is 300, no female, no parent child, and the percentage is 300. Sorry, the age may be 28. Now we predict it, so it means it will be die. Now if from the survived, if we see from survived. So this is our the project. So this is